This 2-pack nursing cover is an absolutely great piece for any nursing mother. It's so versatile. It can be used as a nursing cover. You're able to have a nice wide neck, so it can be used as a peekaboo to be able to see the little one as they're feeding. Great for breast pumps or for breastfeeding. And you're able to also use it as just a poncho even. It's just a standalone outfit piece. You can even have it as a swaddle, as a baby blanket. Use it on top of your car seat or stroller to block any wind or weather from the baby. It comes in a 2-pack. We chose the beige and the rose color. It also comes with a nice laundry bag with a zipper to even be able to wash it and keep it from getting damaged in the washer. Overall, it's a super great piece. It's very smooth, very soft, very breathable. And it's just a great piece to be able to have, and would highly recommend it. It also has a slit on one side so that you're able to just be more versatile with it, to be able to have your arm out on one side, be able to still move around and do things as well while you're feeding. Overall, just a very versatile, high quality piece here. Highly recommend it.